In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see starred templates in Canva. If you've saved templates to come back to later, Canva makes it easy to find them again once you know where to look. This is helpful when you want quick access to your favorite designs without searching for them all over again. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along easily. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the main Canva workspace where you can access your design tools and navigation options. If Canva takes a moment to load, just wait until the dashboard is fully visible so everything appears properly on screen. Once you're inside Canva, look over to the left-hand toolbar. This is where Canva keeps many of its main navigation options, including the area for browsing design resources. In that toolbar, find templates and click on it. This opens the templates section where you can browse different design layouts and saved content. After that, keep your attention on the panel that appears on the left side. This is the templates panel, and it's where Canva organizes template categories and saved items. In this panel, look for the option called starred content and select it. As soon as you click there, Canva should display the templates you've previously starred. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, give the panel a second to refresh, especially if your internet connection is a little slow or if you have a large number of saved items. It can also help to make sure you're in the correct Canva account, since starred templates are tied to the account you used when saving them. Once the starred content section is open, you can browse through your starred templates and choose the one you want to use. This can save you time, especially if you regularly work with the same styles, formats, or branded designs. And that's all there is to it. Open Canva, go to Templates from the left toolbar, then select Starred Content in the Templates panel to view your starred templates. It's a quick and convenient way to get back to the designs you've already marked as favorites. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your starred templates in Canva quickly and easily.